Hello friends, in the great initiative taken by Company Law Institute of India Private Limited, in the series of income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important case on section 271B penalty, that is penalty for not getting the accounts audited under section 44AB in time. The name of the case is Jila Sehkari Bank Maryadit versus Income Tax Officer, and this case has been reported in 99 ITR Tribunal at page number 156. The matter has been decided by Raipur ITAT and the date of the judgment is 2nd June 2022. The facts of the case are like this. In this case, the assessee was liable to get its account audited under section 44AB, but it did not get its account audited in section 44AB. The assessment of the assessee was completed on 31st December 2011. In that assessment order, there was no whisper of any penalty under section 271B. But after near about 30 months, that is 16th June 2014, the notice under section 271B was issued to the assessee for levying a penalty of rupees 1 lakh. The assessee submitted its report on 24th June 2014, but the assessing officer levied the penalty on 31st December 2014. If we go by section 275 subsection 1 clause C, it says that the penalty order should be done within the financial year in which the order of assessment is done, or within 6 months in which the penalty is initiated against the assessee. Within 6 months from the end of the month in which the penalty is initiated. But in the statute, there is no time limit given in which the penalty notice should be issued to the assessee. So we have to see that what is the reasonable time to issue the notice for imposing penalty. So on the ratio of the various cases, this time limit is for issuing the penalty notice is 2 years from the end of the assessment year in which the assessment is done. So in this particular case, the assessment was done on 31st December 2011. So this assessment year was completing on 31st March 2012. 2 years were completing on 31st March 2014. But the notice was issued after this period. That is 16th June 2014. So if we go by this analysis, even then this notice was time barred. The plea of the assessee was that we have to go get our accounts audited by the cooperative auditors. They give the report after a reasonable period of time, that is in February 2010, so that we cannot get our accounts audited. But the assessing officer was not impressed by this thing, because the assessing officer said that you submitted your report only after the issue of the notice. When the assessee went to the CIT appeal, the assessee didn't get the relief from the CIT appeal also. But when this whole scenario came before the Raipur ITAT, the Raipur ITAT said that there is no denying the fact that the assessee has submitted its tax audit report after issue of the notice under section 271B. But this issue of notice under section 271B is time barred in view of the various cases decided by the various courts. Although there is no time limit specified in the statute, but if the time limits which have been prescribed by various judgments, the penalty notice in this particular case is time barred. It is after near about 30 months after the passing of the assessment order. And the second lacuna on the part of the department was that there was no whisper in the assessment order about levying the penalty under section 271B. That is for failure to get the accounts audited on time. So in this particular case, the assessee got its case only because of the reason that the department did not initiate the penalty within a reasonable time. So the assessee got its case. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case, The name of the case is Jila Sehkari Kendriya Bank Maryadit versus Income Tax Officer, and this case has been reported in 99 ITR Tribunal at page number 156. Thank you, friends.